Everybody who works at GoCleanCo loves pickles, okay? We do pickle taste tests, we try new brands whenever they come out, and we haven't found the exact perfect one that we love, so we thought we were gonna try and make our own. But we're doing refrigerator pickles because we're not experts in like the canning field. Plus we want a crunchy pickle, and refrigerator pickles tend to be more crispy than like the old school canning method. So look how good they look already.
Here's the list of things that you need. You need some mason jars, measuring cups, pickling vinegar, pickling salt, pickling seasoning, fresh dill, pickling cucumbers, carrots, and some peeled garlic cloves. Start by sanitizing your jars. We let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes in boiling water. Make sure you do this step. And then let them dry on a towel while you prep your cucumbers. Now start washing your veggies. I'm just using a good veggie wash and I'm rinsing it really, really well, but you need to kind of slosh around the vegetables to get any dirt that might be kind of caked onto them. So create some movement here. You want to like agitate them. Now prep up your seasonings. Now measure 2 cups of pickling vinegar, 1 cup of pickling salt, and 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Now let's start pickling.
1 to 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of pickling spice, 2 heads of dill. If you like them more, you can add a little bit more if you wanted to. Now you want to add in your cucumbers. We've done whole, now we're doing halves, and we're also going to do chips. Okay, now we're adding the vinegar, water, and salt mixture over the pickles. And you just want to fill to the top of the jar. The recipes we use are from the company's Coming Preserves cookbook for both the carrots and the pickles. The pickles are not shelf stable, so they have to be in the refrigerator. They need 4 weeks to sit until you eat them. The carrots are also not shelf stable. They have to be in the refrigerator, but that's gonna give them nice and crunchy, guys. That's what we're going for. And these guys need 6 weeks until you can eat them. Now, you need to eat these within 3 months, so you don't have to ration them. These aren't for the zombie apocalypse. They are ready to roll as soon as you wait for them to pickle. What we actually did is, because everybody pitched in here, because we're all taking these home so that we can be taste testers, some of the girls put more garlic, some put less garlic. I put more dill. I like more dill. So you can tweak it a little bit if you want to. We added extra pickling spice. So, but like the basis of this recipe is what we stuck to. Your stuff is a wreck, just pickle it.
Yes, please!